Hi guys, welcome back. So as many of you know, we incorporate Ayurveda into our hair care as well. It's just an added extra that I love doing. So in this video, it's just a quick video of how you can infuse one of the shortcuts of infusing an Ayurvedic oil from home. So what I've already had in the pot is a tablespoon of henna powder, a tablespoon of amla powder, and a tablespoon of aloe vera powder. So on low gentle heat, I heat this up. The best type of oils to use are penetrating oils such as babasu oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and also extra virgin olive oil is also a fab option. The extra virgin olive oil helps to keep the oil in a melted state once it completely cools that down. So I'll slowly melt this down on slow heat, gently stirring. So some of the fab benefits of Ayurvedic powders and oils is the ability to merge with the hair's protein just to give the hair the extra strengthening properties. It's henna that mainly does this. We also use them as paste, like in a mask, and also as a tea rinse. I will pop up the video of how we do the tea rinse, hopefully in the next couple of uploads in about 2 weeks time. So I continue melting this down on gentle heat. So here I'm adding the extra virgin olive oil. Once the coconut oil has completely melted down, I heat it up for a bit more as well. And yeah, the measurement for the oils would be like 1 cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil or sunflower oil. So again, I slowly heat this up, continuously stirring just so the powders don't stick to the pan. And be careful not to burn the powder. You don't really want the burnt powders. And the slow heat is fab because it helps the powder to gently release the amazing properties. Now, some other benefits of Ayurvedic powders are, like I mentioned, strengthening and conditioning. Depending on which ones you use, you get the moisturizing and strengthening and conditioning benefits. So once it's completely cooled down, time to strain the oil. So I grab a cheesecloth, I pop it over a bowl of choice, and I gently pour the oil in so the oil strains out without catching any of the powder in the oil. And I will then also transfer this into a bottle using a funnel. So once the oil is completely strained, I transfer it into a bottle using a funnel. The funnel just makes it easier so the oil does not go everywhere. So you don't need to pour away the leftover powder paste that's in the pot. What you can do is transfer it into a bowl. You can now make this into a mask. How amazing is that? And because it has a bit of oil in it, because it's been already slightly infused with oil, it also gives it extra slip and moisture as well, so that when you come to rinse it off, it's easier to rinse off and the powders don't stick too much to the hair to the point where you cannot get it off. Now with this paste, I'm going to use it to do a gloss version of the mask. A gloss version is fab if you're new to Ayurveda. That way it's not too much of a strengthening shock to your hair. It's a gentle way to incorporate it into your hair care, into your protein-free mask. So always go for a protein-free deep conditioner to incorporate when you're doing the gloss. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to mix it into a gloss. Grab a deep conditioner of your choice, one that's protein-free. In this one, I love, and it's a hair coach. Their Healthy Hair Studios deep conditioner, Inches. It works fab with it. Another deep conditioner that I've used in the past, which works really well for it, is the TGIN Moisture Mask. And just like I said, just choose a moisturizing deep conditioner that has great slip and mix it in. So in here I've taken 3 tablespoons of the Inches deep conditioner to pour in, and then I give it a good stir so it mixes really well into like a really smooth consistency. And sometimes I will use a whisk, an electric whisk. It just speeds up the mixing process and you get like a mousse type effect, which I really love. But mixing it by hand or whisk, whichever one is absolutely fine. So time to use it on my daughter's hair. So how to use it is on freshly washed hair, freshly detangled and washed hair. So it's best to apply it in sections. As you can see, her hair is already in sections already from being shampooed, and I take my time to clamp it out of the way. I unravel each section and carefully apply the Ayurvedic gloss mask to each section, making sure each strand is completely covered with the gloss.
Swimming like a bird, drowning, I can fly to anywhere. You are, that's
As you can see, the ease at which I apply the gloss to the hair, I'm even able to, gently detangle with my finger. So it has so many amazing plus benefits. And I think a lot of the scaremongering that comes from henna or using any form of Ayurvedic powders is because it's being misused, it's not being used properly, and the mix is just inadequate. You're not mixing it properly. To find out any of all the other ways that you can incorporate Ayurveda into your hair care, download my, click on the download link that I'll pop in a captioned section. And again, thank you. If you have any further questions about Ayurveda for us or how we incorporate it, drop a comment down below. And thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.